Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer funds from Venmo to Bank of America. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Locate the icon in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the icon to open the menu. Select Manage Balance or Transfer to Bank from the options. Choose Transfer to Bank to initiate the withdrawal process. You will see your Venmo balance displayed. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your Bank of America account. Choose your transfer speed, instant or 1 to 3 business days. For instant transfer, a small fee will be applied. Select your linked Bank of America account if you have multiple accounts. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, tap on Add Bank. Follow the prompts to add your Bank of America account information. Tap Transfer to confirm the transaction. You will receive a confirmation screen indicating the transfer details. Wait for a notification to let you know when the funds are available in your bank account. Check your Bank of America account to confirm the funds have been deposited. That's all there is to it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve accounts. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.